Hi traders, this is Mikael Fukwe from beststrategiesfortrading.com. I'm preparing the limit orders for the European markets the 13th of November 2013. First of all, I'm gonna go back and talk a little bit about the background for how I trade. I use swing trading. My philosophy is Contrarian. The method I use is coming from price action, and that's pivots, trend lines, moving average. I'm only looking at stocks that trades with a daily average of more than $10 million or equivalent in euros or pound sterling. I search with my own developed scanning algorithm. They are built with Metastock. If you want more in detail how this trading philosophy and trading psychology for technical analysis, please watch my YouTube video. I call it Tutorial Technical Analysis 101. If you talk about money management, my position size is 10%. My target is working with a trailing target 2.6%. I reset that and end of day. My stop is also trailing, reset it end of day, and work with a minus 1.3%. So that's the background of my trading. I can give you some very quick example of how it works. You can take a look at this standard example from the SPY. That's the S&P 500 tracking ETF. We have a peak in year 2000. When it comes up to that peak, it retraces and bounces back. That's the price level that makes the action for the downside. You can also use the 200 moving average. That's I should probably say the most used moving average. You can see several times that make up a resistance point. You can see here, it's several times, and it's not only on the SPY, it's common on every kind of chart. And you can also use trend lines. You connect several troughs, and that make up a resistance line. Okay, enough preaching about that. Take a look at the first chart from the European market. It's tool of oil, and I am using this pivot, this trough from 2011. The low is 18.7950 cents. I will put in my order at my buy order at 1880. Also very important to check if the tool of oil has any kind of earnings coming up. You don't want to take a trade one day and the next day before the opening, because of the earnings release, the price has changed 5-10% against you. That's not a perfect way of trading. Okay, we can't find any earnings release until February. That's good. Okay, next chart. ABB, I see a brown over here. On the Stockholm Stock Exchange, I use this high peak from 2011. It print 170 krona and 40 öre. That's the price I'm going to use for a short sell. I'm gonna check if ABB has any earnings coming up. Nope. Okay, next one. Aegon. I'm using this high pivot back in 2009 at this high peak. It's 626.30. That's the print. That's the level I'm going to use for a short sell. Check for any earnings. Upcoming event. Nope. British Sky. broadcasting. Here I'm actually using a trend line to come up with my level, price action level. I connect this trough to that trough and I come up with a trend line. And before my video I exactly calculate this and I come up with 814 to my level. That's why I put in a buy order, limit buy. Check for earnings. No earnings in the near future. Next stock is Philips from the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. And I'm going to use this high peak from 2010. The high is 27 euro, and that's the level I'm going to use for a short sell. Check for earnings. No earnings in the near future. Okay, take a look at the next. Post NL from the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. I'm using this high peak and the high is 455. That's the level I'm going to use for a short sell, limit short. Check for earnings. No upcoming earnings. That was actually the last chart from the European market I had to show you. To wrap it up, this is the limit orders I got. AGN from Holland, short sell at 626.30. Philips Holland 27 short sell. PTNL Holland 4.55 short sell. British Sky UK 1814 going long at that level. Tullow Oil UK 880 going long at that level with a limit order, limit buy. And ABB from Stockholm short sell at 170 krona and 40 öre. That's my short sell level. And remember, this is only my investment blog, so please do not take all these trade as any advice. Any kind of a trade in financial instrument is risky, could be dangerous, so do your own decision about trading. And remember, if you do any kind of trade, please do not put more on in the market than you can afford to lose. Okay, thank you for your attention and happy trading tomorrow.